Okay, hello dear viewers. So let's continue. Okay, this is part of the series where I try to. There's an exercise for you to download down in the description, and this is part of the question that my students found it to be difficult. If there's any question that you want to ask me, you want further explanations, just drop the comment down below, and I'll try to make a video for you. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so this is the question, the parametric equation of a curve given by. So there's an x equation over there, and y equation over there. Find dy dx in terms of theta. And then find the value of dy dx when theta is equal to 5/6. Okay, you may try this question by yourself. If you may pause the video, and if you're ready, let's do it together. Okay, so we know these two x here and here, so we got these two. So nothing much from here, we just want to differentiate them, right? So let's try and differentiating. Boom, you got that. And I always mention to my student, there's a trick over here where you differentiate in this respect, PTB, power, Trigo, and bracket. Okay, so you can see the power is 3, the Trigo is sine, and the bracket here is 2 theta. Okay, so we do them, power, Trigo, and bracket. So the 3 goes in front first, and then you differentiate Trigo, differentiate sine, you got cos, but the bracket remains the same. And finally, then only you differentiate the bracket of 2 theta, you got 2. Alright, so and you may simplify, you got here. And you can understand that. And then let's continue with the y part. So the same concept, you want to differentiate that is a PTB. And remember, firstly the power, and then the Trigo, and then finally the bracket. Okay, so power, Trigo, bracket, you get yourself something like this. Okay, so differentiate power of 3 becomes 2, 3 goes in front, differentiate cos, you get negative sign, and differentiate the 2 theta, you got yourself 2. Okay, so you got these two value now. So what should you do with it? Well, we want to get ourselves dy dx. So dy dx is, I can say dy dx is dy theta and d theta over dx. So simply substitute it and simplify it. You get yourself into that. Okay? But be careful with the simplification. See, just this one, pop, takes one off. And sine 1 and sine theta. And then, yeah, you can simplify further. You got yourself cos 2 theta and sine 2 theta, cos over sine, you got yourself cot. Okay? Okay, so that's the getting the first part of the question. The second part is when you declare that dy d theta is pi/6. So let's try and solve that part. So when dy dx, when theta is equal to pi/6, well, you just simply substitute into the equation that we got above. Okay? And try to solve it. And some people might have trouble, so just simply change back to the degree if you're more comfortable that way. I am more comfortable with the degree, so you get certain cot. And you might want to change back to the original form, which is a tangent, and then press your calculator, and you got tangent 60 is theta over 3. Square root over 3. Okay, over here, I'm fine if you leave your answer in that way. But some people, they might do not like your square root to be down there. So what do you do with it? You simply conjugate it. Okay, once you conjugate it, see here. And you got yourself this one. And simply simplify it out. And do not forget that when you get yourself set 3 and set 3 is equals to 3, and you can simplify. Yes, is 2. And you got that. Okay? So yeah, hopefully you got it. And hopefully this second recording of OBS works for you. I'm still getting myself used to it. Alright, so I'll put the question and this answers in the description down below. Okay, hopefully you're okay. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. If there's any question that you want me to do, send this comment down there. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye. All the best for your exams.